Hi, my name is Arya Paul and I just recently cleared IELTS with a band score 8. Talking about my experience, at the beginning I had no clue where to start or where to end. And it was at that point a friend of mine suggested me Inspira. And then I decided to join Inspira Academy. Trust me, that was the best decision I made because all the tutors are experts and they gave me perfect tips and instructions in order to crack my IELTS. They also provided me previous year question paper which was a lifesaver. And the best part was I could book my class whenever I am convenient. They also boosted my confidence and communication skills. Without Inspira, my journey would have been very tough. So I suggest Inspira to all of the students out there who want to crack IELTS with an outstanding score. Thank you.
Inspire.